Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Sujit. Today I am going to share with you a few freehand exercises. So let's start. First we shall practice hands up and hands down. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat this posture 4 to 6 times. It will help to stretch our whole body. We should practice this exercise every day in the morning to keep our body fit. Next we shall practice neck movement. Turn left, straight, turn right, straight, turn forward, straight, turn backward, straight, left, right, forward and backward. And we shall practice this with inhalation and exhalation. Then we move clockwise our neck 4 times and anti-clockwise 4 times. It strengthens our cervical region. So we should practice this Sukshma Vyayam every day in the morning. Next we shall practice finger movement. It helps us to blood circulation in our finger points and relaxes our fingers. Next we shall practice wrist movement. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Repeat 4 to 6 times. Now we shall practice elbow straightening. Elbow straightening will reduces our toxins from hands and circulate blood. Next, shoulder movement. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Forward and backward. Exhale forward, inhale backward. Repeat every tricks 4 to 6 times. And now we have to move clockwise and anti-clockwise with inhalation and exhalation. It strengthens our shoulder region. So friends, practice these exercises every day. Now we shall practice hand straightening or chest opening. Inhale, stretch, exhale, close. Inhale, stretch, exhale, close. We have to repeat this 4 to 6 times. It expands our chest and lungs. Now we shall practice waist movement. Repeat this 4 to 6 times, and this practice will help to strengthen our lumbar and sacral region. Next, knee movement. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Repeat this 4 to 6 times and then move our knees clockwise and anti-clockwise with inhalation and exhalation. It strengthens our knee region. Okay, so practice this every day to keep your knees active. Now ankle movement. In this way you will practice every day and keep your body fit, mind fresh and soul vigor. It will help to active our ankle region. So friend, practice all the tricks every day to keep our body fit, and if you like this video, please click on the like button. Next, spine movement. Left side, right side, forward side and backward side with inhalation and exhalation. It helps our spine to keep more active and work every day fluently. So guys, try to practice this. There is a variation in this movement. Left, inhale up, right, exhale, inhale up, inhale and forward, exhale down, inhale up. Now we put our hands at waist region and move backward, inhale up. Now we shall practice spine twisting. This is the most important tricks to keep our spine active. It helps to provide more blood to our spine regions. Repeat this in this way 6 to 10 times with inhalation and exhalation. And last of all, we shall practice balancing posture, Virabhadrasana. It will help to strengthen our shoulders, arms, legs, ankles and back. It opens our hips, chest and lungs. So friends, stay connected with my channel. Thank you. Visit again.